It's raining. It doesn't look like it's raining, but it is, because that's the wetness. I'm gonna go in it for a second. Ooh. There's not much raining anymore, but it was raining pretty hard a second ago. By the way, I'm not going off of YouTube. I'm just taking a little break. I did do an I'm back video on Roblox Levi. I don't know why I uploaded that. I just uploaded it. I don't know why. But I'm going to be doing a video on my new game that's called Testing at the moment. Because I like it. It's only available for my friends. No one else can join. So yeah, it's still raining. If you can hear it. See, did you hear it? No, I'm joking. But it actually is raining a lot. So I'm gonna I just came back. Oh god. Okay. Bye.